Hello guys, Enrique here, and let me show you how you can improve your download speed on Steam. To start the tutorial, of course, you want to have Steam open and you want to go into the settings. So on the top left, you want to click into the menu where you see Steam and then click into settings. Now, on the left side where you see downloads, and in here, one of the first settings that you guys want to change is where you see the download region. You want to change this for the closest one that you have, depending on where you live. For me, it's Germany, Düsseldorf, so I'm going to choose this. Another thing that you can do right here is to be sure that you don't have any limit bandwidth. As the name itself is going to limit the bandwidth and make your download speed slower. The last thing to do inside of Steam itself is to clear the download cache. As you can see, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. Click into OK. Steam now is going to reset itself, so you're going to have to log in once more. Now, once you have done that, you want to change your internet settings. So right-click into the Start button and go into Settings. From here, you want to go into Network and Internet. Depending on if you have Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but it's going to work the same, click right here underneath where you see Advanced Network Settings. And on this window, you want to click into More Network Adapter Options. Now, this window is going to get open. Now, right here, you can see the Wi-Fi and the Ethernet. I'm using Ethernet right now, so you want to right-click in what you have and click into Properties. Now, once they get open, you want to scroll down and you're going to see the Internet Protocol version 4 and the Internet Protocol version 6. In both of them, you want to click into them and click into Properties. Right here, you want to change the Obtain DNS server address automatically for use the following DNS server address. And into the preferred DNS server, you want to add 1, 1, 1, 1. And into the alternate, 8, 8, 8, and 8. Now you want to click into OK and close. And don't forget to make the same thing into the protocol version 6. That is pretty much it. This is going to help you guys to have a faster download speeds in Steam. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.